Welcome to dual enrolment. This session is about the enrolment session and how to actually complete your enrolment with Trobe University. There is a paper enrolment form to complete. There's also a TAFE form. You will receive a welcome letter in 2 to 4 weeks post your completion of your enrolment. And I'll also talk about how we provide access to some of the La Trobe resources and some online modules. The Commonwealth Assistance Form. The Commonwealth Assistance Form is something that we ask you to complete together with your enrolment for La Trobe because that is how university places are funded. We do waive the student contributions, so you do not incur extra fees, you just continue to pay your normal fees to your TAFE. So what's included on a Commonwealth Assistance Form? We ask you to fill in your details, which is your name. We get you to put in section 4, La Trobe University, rather than your TAFE, because as I said, this is for university fees. And in section 5, we get you to put your student ID for La Trobe, not your TAFE ID. And I'll talk about how you find your student ID for La Trobe on the next slide. You also need to describe the course as the dual enrolment Bachelor of Healthcare course and not the Diploma of Nursing. So in section 6, you put Bachelor of Healthcare, Nursing Foundations. Please declare your citizenship status. In section 7 and in section 8, we don't require a tax file number because we don't collect HECS from you. Also tick your obligations and sign and date the form. This form is in duplicate and you can also retain a copy. The welcome letter. The welcome letter is another place where you can find your student ID, but it will be on your paper-based enrolment form. Please get the people who are enrolling you to point out your student number. It is an 8-digit number, but it will be repeated on your welcome letter. So what is on your welcome letter? The most important thing apart from your student ID is a temporary password. And the temporary password is at the very top. It's normally a combination of numbers and your name, and it gives you your initial access to all of La Trobe's systems and online modules. The welcome letter is also a statement of account, and it will show that you have 0 fees as these are waived. The online modules. There are 2 online modules that we make available for students during their dual enrolment. These are called LTU OAIM and Wominjenka. LTU OAIM is an academic integrity module and Wominjenka is a cultural diversity module. They are both specific to La Trobe and all La Trobe students do these every year in their first year of enrolment. They take about 1 hour to complete, and when you finish, you'll receive a badge, a completion badge. There are a number of quizzes to work through. With the quizzes, you need to complete a minimum of 6 of the 10 cases and get 18 out of 20 for the academic integrity module. With Wominjenka, you work through all 5 sections of the module and complete 3 quizzes. There is no record of how many attempts you make to get the correct number of answers. Your TAFE particularly wants you to do those 2 units as they complement your study at TAFE. So how do we get to the modules? There is a main page located on La Trobe's website. You go to the student heading at the very top bar, and from there you can see a number of resources become available to students. The LMS login is in the right-hand block. LMS is La Trobe's learning management system. When you click on the LMS, you will go to this landing page. You just click Login. After logging in, you will go to a sign-in page, And this is where you put your username, which is your student number, and also a password. You will then arrive at your Learning Management page resources. What happens if you can't access your resources? So if you get to LMS, but once you get there, the online modules do not appear. These sometimes need to be reloaded as they are only visible for a semester. Some students forget or are unable to complete these in the first semester that they enrol, which means when they do go to do them, they're not there. A lot of La Trobe systems are also set up for students to self-help or to rectify themselves. So how do I get IT support to reset passwords? You can use Ask La Trobe. This is an online as well as a phone or in-person service. If you're studying your diploma at a partner TAFE and you are close to a local La Trobe, you might like to visit. However, if you need to do it online, there is an Ask La Trobe online email address, and the phone number is 1300 528 7623. What happens if I'm not sure if I've completed AIM and WOM? You do receive a completion badge when you've completed the module online, and this will be visible as you complete the module. How to maintain your La Trobe enrolment. While some students study full-time over 18 months while they complete their diploma, a number of students complete over 2 to 2.5 years. So it's very important to maintain your dual enrolment that you are able to re-enroll. So if 2016 is your first year of study, you may need to re-enroll in 2017 and 18 if you have not yet finished. You need to complete 11 subjects in total under the La Trobe ID to be eligible for guaranteed place in our Bachelor of Nursing Enrolled Nurse program. When we initially enrol you, we generally enrol you in either 4 or 7 subjects. Take an interest in what's written on the form when you enrol, and you will see the names of the subjects. In 2016, if you enrol in Semester 1, you will be enrolled in 7. And if you enrol in Semester 2, full-time as a student, you will be enrolled in 4 subjects. Try and check your La Trobe email monthly. We send out valuable newsletters and information to students, also inviting you to events at your local La Trobe University. Around 6 months prior to completion of your diploma, it's really helpful if you can update your details on Student Online and set up SMS or email alerts for your results. This way you can track how many of your 11 subjects you have completed. You're also welcome to email us and keep in contact to maintain your enrolment. Your course coordinator at TAFE, as well as myself or staff at La Trobe, can assist. Be proactive.